complications. It leads to what kind of diseases? Everything. BP, sugar, diabetic, BP, heart problems, and obesity, whatnot. Every problem will come in your physical body. My dear friends, so by understanding this, please try to follow all these things. Okay? Right. Right. So welcome to you, all of you, for the home remedies for today, what we are going to discuss, my dear friends. Now, the part of home remedies today, we are going to understand, we are going to learn the best mudra. So migraine, I told you already, migraine starts from sides and comes to up to the ears. Okay. So this is a migraine, like many people will be suffering, in fact. Okay. So now, so the best mudra for migraine is apana mudra plus prana mudra. How the apana mudra to be practiced? Very simple, right? This is a mudra. Just keep like this and then keep on the thighs and keep practicing. Okay. So all these mudras you must practice in the home. Whoever is suffering with these things, please practice. Okay. It will definitely benefit you. You will come out of the issues very easily. You don't need to go and take any kind of a tablets, English medicines at all. Okay. This is the mudra, best mudra for this, especially migraine, along with the pranayama, the prana mudra also. After the apana mudra, prana mudra, you please practice it for 10 more minutes. Okay. Right. How many number of times? Morning, afternoon, evening. How much of the time possible? Here I told 20 minutes to practice, isn't it? You can practice 30 minutes also. There's no restriction at all. Okay. And you can practice 3 times, 4 times. Depends upon the intensity of your headache. You must increase the time also. Okay. And repetition also. Number of times also. Frequency also. Okay. Right.